Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate Facebook account on desktop. So the process is same for desktop and Android. So I'm going to show you on my Android. I'm going to go back and here in the process. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm currently on my feeds page. So I'm going to head over to my account by tapping the three lines on the top right. And then you'll find this option. Now go to settings in here, and on your desktop you will find this settings option already open on the left, and from there head over to the settings. Now here you will find the Meta account sender. Now go head over there, and then here you will find personal details in the account settings section. Now go to account ownership and control. Now select the activation or deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Now select deactivate account, and it says your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So tap on continue and tap on continuing again. And here you have to give your or enter your password or your Facebook password. And once you do it, tap on continue and your Facebook account will be deactivated. So yeah, this is how easy it is to deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see